One more is there. Now, there has been some attack in Fujairah port in UAE. United Arab Emirates में Fujairah port where there has been some attack. A ship from Abu Dhabi was attacked by drones in the Strait of Hormuz near Fujairah, and Indian workers are trapped in that. So the talks are going on between India and UAE to help them bring to India, evacuation of those people. There is also one of the news. Then you have, there was a leak of NEET question paper. NEET, you know? NEET is about medical entrance test, right? And there has been a problem that there was some reports that papers were circulated even before the exam in Rajasthan and UP somewhere. Who conducts that? National Testing Agency, NTA. You know, most of the exams, most of the competitive exams in the country are conducted by one central agency called National Testing Agency. So it now creates a lot of problem. If NTA comes under controversy, then the examination process, entire examination process comes under scanner. Okay? So these are some of the issues. It is about expansion of the UP cabinet. Now UP elections are due in 2027 next year. So you know, UP, Bihar, etc. they are very, in fact entire India is very, very cost conscious. If the different castes are not given representation in the ministry, it becomes a problem. So taking into account that thing, Yogi Adityanath has expanded his cabinet and he has inducted a few more ministers, taking into account the caste combination, that every caste is given representation as per their population. This is about Niti Aayog report. It talks about how many children in India they are studying in the schools. So it has seen that the primary education, see, most of the students in our country, they still study in government schools. And government schools have opened so many, but the facilities, etc. are not at par. But the government has given push by midday meal scheme, free provision of books, etc. Everything in government schools is there. It's very cheap. So the enrollment in the primary has improved to 96.9%. But as they go up, the dropout rate in the secondary level is more. Means as they go to the 10th classes, etc., poor people, they withdraw their children because they want to put them in some work as a child laborer, or they assist them in their own agricultural work. So dropout rate in the junior levels has increased. It has increased, the enrollment has increased in the primary level, but in the junior level it has gone down. So that is one report. Now here is a news related to our Bangladesh. You know, Bangladesh is a very important country as far as India and China are concerned. India and China are rivals, you know. India and China both are rivals. And Bangladesh is kind of buffer between them. Lately, Bangladesh has been getting closer to China. But it has been a natural ally of India right from the beginning, because India was responsible for its liberation from Pakistan in 1971. So now Bangladesh is telling that both the regional powers, China and India, are using it as a football. Sometimes one country kicks, sometimes another country kicks. It says we will not be like this. We cannot be treated like football, that between your rivalries you use us. Okay? For the rivalry between India and China, Bangladesh is saying that I cannot be treated like a football. Okay? And this is about sports world. The ladies team of archers, Tirandazi, they have got World Cup gold in Shanghai in China, which is a big news. Okay? Archery is one sport where we have beaten China by 6-0. In final we dominated so much. So it's a very good news, and we have a lot of hopes from our archers in the Olympics. Ladies have won this. So in today's news, if you see, let me go back again. Here are some discussion points. Why does a country need foreign exchange reserves? If India imports more than it exports, what problems can arise? What problems can arise? We are importing more, exporting less, so it is called balance of payment problem, BOP, balance of payment, because our trade deficit will increase. We should export as well as import. If both are equal, it's okay. In fact, we should export more to earn more money, foreign exchange. But if our imports are more and exports are less, then there is a balance of payment crisis. Okay, so why do we need foreign exchange reserve? For trade, international trade. If you import anything, you have to pay in the international currency, as I said, in terms of dollar. So we need more dollar reserve. That's why PM has appealed that people should not spend money on those things too much where the dollar is spent for buying those things, like gold. Gold is not produced in India. If you buy gold, it would have come from outside. So somebody would have paid in dollars, and that is detrimental for our economy. Similarly, he has talked about many austerity measures from the citizens. Austerity measures means किफ़ायती जो काम करने हैं कि आप you don't travel much, work from home, don't spend too much of fuel just like that, don't buy gold too much, don't go for destination weddings, expensive ones. So he has appealed to the citizens to save foreign exchange through these measures. Now, if we talk about what did we learn today, just to summarize all of it, about economy I told you, saving of foreign exchange reserve through work from home, fuel cuts that Prime Minister has emphasized, Vijay's historic swearing in as Tamil Nadu CM. Why it is historic? Because 1967 onwards, two parties have dominated the Tamil politics, Drivida Munnetra Kazhagam and All India Anna Drivida Munnetra Kazhagam, AIADMK and DMK. This is the first time that some other party has come to power. So it is a historic moment. Global peace, India-UAE pact amid Iran-Israel escalation. Now war is still not fully stopped. Strait of Hormuz is blocked, and so trade is getting affected. Now there has been an attack, as I told, in Fujairah on one Indian ship, and people are stranded there. They have to be evacuated. So this news is there. About education, as I said, NEET paper leak. As I said that NTA conducts this examination, National Testing Agency. So it has come under scanner and its credibility is at risk. This I told that in Uttar Pradesh there is going to be expansion in the cabinet. Taking into account the elections next year, they want to balance the caste equation by giving representation to many other castes which are not there in the cabinet as of now. Geopolitics, as I said, Bangladesh says that between India and China, I'm not going to play football. Don't treat me like that, that you sort out your issues through us by involving us. We want to be independent and sovereign. Similarly, sports, women archers win World Cup gold in China, which is a big news. It will give us fillip in this sport, and we can win maybe Olympic gold in this particular event. So these are some of the news of today. They have been taken from the Times of India. You have Tribune today, but I have taken from Times of India this news. Almost all the news is there. That I'll discuss in the next class. Hantavirus is one of the viruses which is affecting. It's a pandemic kind of thing. It is affecting the ships. Some cruise ships are there. On them it has spread. Some of the pandemics we will discuss next time. Then we'll talk about it. Okay, how they spread. So this is about it. Any questions if you have, you can ask related to these news. Anybody? No one? So may I ask, tell me, what is Prime Minister's appeal? Stand up. Stand up. What has Prime Minister told?
To conserve oil and gold.
To conserve oil and gold. Sit down. Not to conserve, but not to buy gold and conserve petroleum products so that our economy doesn't suffer, so that we don't spend too much dollar to import things which are which can be curbed and which are not needed for the time being. So that is one of the things. Anything else? Anything related to what is so new about the politics of Tamil Nadu? Why it is called, it is historic?
Because during the time from 1971, no one has changed. Only two parties have ruled.
1967.
And only two parties have ruled, the DMK and the AIADMK.
AIADMK. Okay.
And now it has changed that Vijay got the seat and he is the CM.
Which party he is from?
He's from TVK.
TVK. Good. Very good. Sit down. Okay. So that's it. You understood? Read your newspaper fully. Note down the points. Underline those words which you don't understand. Ask me. We will discuss it further. Okay? Thank you.